Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best plug cutters is probably one of the most essential tools for any woodworker looking to create clean, seamless joints or decorative plugs in their projects, offering a professional finish that elevates the overall aesthetic and structural integrity of their creations. Number 5. Rocaris 23-pack Woodworking Chamfer Drilling Tool Set. Introducing the Rocaris 23-pack Woodworking Chamfer Drilling Tool Set, your all-in-one solution for professional woodworking projects. This extensive set provides everything you need for precise drilling and finishing. Achieve perfect countersunk holes with our 6-piece 1/4-hex shank 5-flute 90-degree countersink drill bits. They are designed for clean and accurate results in wood and PVC. This set includes 7 versatile 3-pointed countersink drill bits. Their design ensures efficient sawdust removal for faster, easier drilling and pilot hole creation. Conceal screw holes or imperfections with the 8-piece wood plug cutter set. Made from durable carbon steel, they create perfectly sized plugs for a seamless finish. Start your drilling accurately every time with the included automatic center punch. It creates a precise starting dimple, preventing your drill bits from wandering. Crafted from high-quality materials like high-speed steel and reliable carbon steel, these tools are built for durability and consistent performance on all your woodworking tasks. What we like. This comprehensive set offers a wide variety of tools for multiple woodworking tasks. It includes not only plug cutters but also countersink bits and a center punch for precise starting. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for various drilling and chamfering needs, this is a great choice. What people say. Good all-round set. No breakage after 6 months. The ones that were usable did work well, like the step bits. Quite impressed, there was nothing about it coming in a carrying case and yet it did. Number 4. Make It Snappy 3-piece Tapered Plug Cutter Set. Introducing the Make It Snappy 3-piece Tapered Plug Cutter Set. This set is designed to make your woodworking projects easier and more efficient. You'll receive 3 essential sizes, 1 4-inch, 3 8-inch, and 1 2-inch. These tapered plug cutters offer precision for various applications. Crafted with hardened steel, these tools ensure sharp, clean cuts every time. They are built for long-lasting performance. Simply use them with your snappy quick change chuck in your drill press. It's a seamless addition to your existing tools. Achieve a professional finish by matching the wood grain to conceal screws. It creates a clean, polished look. These high-quality plug cutters are proudly made in the USA by Snappy. Experience American craftsmanship. What we like. This set is designed for creating tapered plugs to perfectly match wood grain for concealed screw holes. If you prioritize a clean, professional finish and value American-made quality, this is the set for you. It's ideal for projects where aesthetics are paramount. What people say. The chamfer end is definitely a bonus as it makes it very easy insert it without any fuss. They are very sharp, high-quality tools. Using cherry, they cut very clean plugs and the bits were easy to use. These are the best tapered plug cutters I have found. Precise and no tear out on white oak. Number 3. Grizzly Industrial H7693 Deep Plug Cutter Set. Introducing the Grizzly Industrial H7693 Deep Plug Cutter Set. This 6-piece set is designed for precision and durability. Effortlessly cut plugs and long tenons up to an impressive 2 to 1/8 inches. Achieve clean and accurate cuts every time. It includes a range of diameter sizes to meet all your project needs. You'll find 3/8, 1/2, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, and 1-inch options. Each cutter is thoughtfully protected and organized within a fitted wooden case. Keep your tools safe and accessible. The set features a standard 1/2-inch shank size, ensuring compatibility with most tools. Experience ease of use and reliable performance. What we like. These cutters are built for creating deep plugs and long tenons, offering extended reach for your projects. If you frequently work with larger stock or need to create substantial joinery, this set's depth capability and included storage case make it a robust option. What people say. These plug bits work well with a proper drill press. Nice and clean cuts. Within a half hour of delivery, I cut 8 plugs and they are perfect. Smooth cut and snug in the 3/4 hole drilled with a Forstner bit. Cutters are accurate to sizes and cut very cleanly, a must-have for wood finishing. Number 2. Montana Brands MB65823 Wood Plug Cutters. Introducing the Montana Brands MB65823, a premium set designed for precise woodworking. Featuring a retracting self-centering anchor post, it ensures accurate placement every time. This design guarantees clean and centered cuts for your projects. Equipped with 2-point cutting blades, these cutters deliver exceptional performance. They are engineered for efficiency and a smooth finish. The black oxide coating not only enhances durability but also prevents dulling. This means they stay sharp and effective for longer use. It comes with a 1/4 quick change impact compatible shank for easy and fast bit changes. This feature ensures compatibility with most impact drivers. Crafted with quality and precision, this tool is proudly made in the USA. You can trust in its superior craftsmanship and reliability. What we like. Featuring a unique self-centering anchor post, these cutters ensure precise plug creation every time. If you need reliable accuracy and a shank compatible with impact drivers for quick changes, this set will streamline your workflow and deliver consistent results. What people say. The thing that's really fabulous is that it puts a little hole to plug which allows you to immediately recognize which end is going to go into the screw hole without having to think about it. These are much better than the cheaper ones I purchased, broke and threw away. The pin always lets you know what the bottom is, which is super convenient when you have 10 of them rolling around ready to be used. Number 1. WNDB051T 5-piece Tenon and Deep Plug Cutter Set. Introducing the WNDB051T 5-piece Tenon and Deep Plug Cutter Set. This set is designed for precision woodworking, allowing you to create clean and accurate cuts every time. Effortlessly drill straight plugs, dowels, and tenons up to an impressive 3 inches in length. Achieve professional results for your projects with these versatile cutters. This set includes 5 essential diameter cutters, 3 8-inch, 1 2-inch, 5 8-inch, 3 4-inch, and 1 inch. You'll have the perfect size for any application. Featuring a 1 2-inch cylindrical shank, it ensures compatibility with most drill presses available on the market. Enjoy seamless integration with your existing tools. Keep your tools organized and protected with the included carrying case. It provides easy storage between uses, ensuring your cutters are always ready when you are. Perfect for furniture making, cabinetry, and intricate wood joinery. Elevate your craftsmanship with the precision and ease offered by this essential set. What we like. This set excels at drilling both tenons and deep plugs up to 3 inches in length, offering versatility for joinery. If you're involved in furniture making, cabinetry, or intricate wood joinery and need the capability for longer plugs, this is an excellent and well-organized choice. What people say. Work great, holds an edge and excellent value. Made very accurately sized plugs. Used with a drill press. The plugs I've cut match the holes for my Forstner bits perfectly, and are as clean cut as any I've ever seen. Plus, they came in a quality wooden case for safe storage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.